There are a number of ways to avoid water damage during construction. A few simple steps can help a construction company reduce its risk of damage from floods and other extreme weather. Frequent inspections and monitoring of drainage systems are vital to prevent costly loss. A strategy for extreme weather should be created early in the project. The contractor should also make sure to prioritize the installation of drainage systems and keep drying equipment on hand. Training for workers is also crucial. In addition to providing training to employees, the company should ensure that all employees are well versed in the prevention of water damage. Most builders' risk policies have a high deductible for water damage, which can significantly impact the insured. After the construction process is complete, the construction site supervisor is responsible for approving any wet work. He or she must be knowledgeable of water damage prevention methods and conduct pre-work and job site inspections. During the construction process, the construction supervisor must inspect the job site to check for any signs of flooding. The contractor should also be aware of any potential hazards that could pose a risk of flooding. During the construction process, the contractor should be aware of the risks and implement organizational procedures that will minimize the risk of water damage. Managing risk is also important. Many construction sites fail during the construction process, which can lead to costly repair costs. Aside from the financial costs, the business can suffer reputation damage if water damages occur. Therefore, preventing water damage is an essential step for any construction company. It is advisable to hire a qualified and experienced company to help mitigate the risks. This will help the contractor avoid losses and maximize profitability. The contractor should make a comprehensive risk assessment and ensure that all workers are properly equipped. Water damage during construction is often caused by heavy rainfall. While there are no definite ways to completely eliminate this risk, there are a few basic steps that a construction company can take to decrease its risk. Keeping a construction site dry and clean is essential for a successful project. However, it is essential to ensure that the contractor has taken these precautions, as even minor efforts can drastically reduce the likelihood of damage. If a heavy rain occurs during construction, the construction site may be flooded. As a result, a contractor can make use of a water pump to reduce moisture on the job site. As a construction company, water damage during construction is one of the greatest risks in the industry. This is because moisture can cause extensive damages, including mold and structural damage. It's crucial to mitigate the damages and avoid unnecessary lawsuits resulting from water and other sources of contamination. A contractor should also consider the costs of repairing the damaged areas. If a contractor fails to take the necessary precautions, it can be very difficult for the client to recover. While water damage during construction can be a costly problem, it can also be a significant exposure for a construction company. In addition to property damage, the company can face enormous costs due to water. For this reason, avoiding water during construction is essential to protect assets and reputation. A customized construction water mitigation program can help a contractor manage this type of risk effectively. If not properly implemented, the program will ensure that the project remains in the same place. When water damages occur, the contractor should immediately contact insurance companies. The contractor should contact the insurance company to see whether they are responsible for the damage. The contractors should also be consulted before the building is completed. The insurers are responsible for the cost of cleanup and repairs after a water damage, and the contractor should make every effort to limit their liability. It's important to have a thorough understanding of the risks of water during construction and be aware of the consequences of any mishandling. The insurance company should provide a warranty for the property. There is no such guarantee that a policy will cover all costs, but it can reimburse the property owner if the insurance company has made sure that the project is fully protected from water. The policy should cover all costs, not just property. This will also protect the insurance company and the client from any additional losses. It is also worth noting that a quality contractor should be vigilant in addressing water damage during construction.